Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the left crisper drawer support in your refrigerator. The reason why you might have to do this is because the drawer support is damaged or broken, or because the drawer isn't sliding in like it should. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the refrigerator we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. So what we're going to do is open both of our doors up. And now I'm going to take drawers out, and those just slide straight out. And now we're going to take this shelf out carefully. This shelf is just a glass shelf, so we don't want to drop it or damage it in any way. Now we'll take out the middle shelf support. There we go. So this right here is our left crisper drawer support. In order to get it off, we're just going to lift up slightly and pull back. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement crisper drawer support. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So to put this back on, all we're going to do is slide it all the way to that round knob that's sticking out over there and line it up with this slot right here and push it straight on. And once that's in place, we can line up this slot here and drop that down. And now to put this back in place, all we have to do is line up that long slot there with the long piece there. And this slot right here with these two tabs is where this longer part goes. That sits in there. And the other part on the bottom should slide straight in and it'll snap into place. Now we'll put our shelf back into place. And you're going to want to make sure that the rounded end that has the cutout back here goes towards the back. And once you've got it in place, it should sit on both the supports on either end. And now we can put our glass shelf back into place. Just angling it because the doors are wide. And once you've got it in there, gently set it on the shelf, just like that. Now we're going to put our crisper drawers back in, and what you're going to want to do is just make sure the wheels on either side line up with the track there so it slides in nice and easy. Same thing on this side. I'm just lining up those wheels with the track. And you'll see right there it wasn't lined up, so it didn't go in. We'll try it again. And there we go. Now we can close our refrigerator doors. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.